All right, so if you've ever gotten this flashing on your faces of your SketchUp models, it's happening because of something called Z-fighting. Z-fighting is basically your computer trying to display two surfaces at once with different materials that occupy the same space. And so this pretty much always happens with grouped geometry because you have two objects that aren't merging occupying that space. It only happens when they have different materials applied to each other, and your computer is trying to figure out which one to display because they're in the same location. And so there's a couple ways to fix this. The first is to move one surface ever so slightly above the other one so that they're not actually occupying the same space on the same plane anymore. This is great as long as you don't need these to be coplanar. You can also erase out the overlapping geometry on one of your objects. Then you don't have objects occupying the same space, so you don't get Z-fighting. And then finally, you can also hide the geometry that's causing the flashing if you don't need it in your scene.